Alright guys, so here are the solar yellow RS 2.0 side mirrors with the turn signal on them. Now these were only on the RS 2.0s, but I was able to get my hands on them because the car was at the junkyard. So I think the number on the car was 25 out of 2500. So I was able to get the label of the car as well. I kind of like to keep some mementos of where I got these parts from and what car. So sometimes I get the VIN number, but like this, I got the little plaque. So we're going to take these apart. I'm going to end up painting them and putting them on my car. So these are put together with 3M double-sided tape. So there's double-sided tape here, here, along the sides, and it's only on the edges of the mirror. So we're going to heat it up with a heat gun and then use like a butter knife or a small screwdriver to pry them off. So here we go. There you go. These are the RS 2.0 solar yellow side mirror covers with the turn signal. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.